Namaskar friends, let's start our today's 10 important questions of auxiliary machines. These questions are very important for various exams conducted by different companies. Our first question is, what symptom would you think shows that the freon filter dryer has become blocked? And the options are a hammering noise from the dryer, a hammering noise from the compressors, a large temperature drop across the dryer, pressure rise before the dryer. And the correct option for this question is a large temperature drop across the dryer. Our next question is, you have checked the oil viscosity in an auxiliary engine with the viscosity test kit. The result shows that the viscosity is low. What will you do? And the options are decrease the oil temperature, clean the system and change the oil, start to purify the oil, increase the oil temperature. And the correct option for this question is clean the system and change the oil. Our next question is, after starting a freon compressor, how long should you wait before opening the oil separator return valve? And the options are open the valve immediately after the separator cell has warmed up, 1 minute, carefully open the valve. And the correct option for this question is after the separator cell has warmed up. Our next question is, before entering the purifier, the lubricating oil is heated in order to, and the options are boil of water, prevent corrosion, lower the viscosity and improve purification, increase the viscosity and improve purification. And the correct option for this question is lower the viscosity and improve purification. Our next question is, a lubricating oil having a high viscosity index number is most effectively used, and the options are as an additive to slow oxidation over a wide range of temperature variations, as an additive to depress pour point, only in very high temperature installations. And the correct option for this question is over a wide range of temperature variations. Our next question is, a clogged or dirty lube oil filter can be detected based by, and the options are visual inspection of the filter elements, the pressure drop across the filter, high lube oil temperature, a decrease in oil viscosity. And the correct option for this question is the pressure drop across the filter. Our next question is, what do you think would be the most likely cause of high discharge pressure from a freon compressor? And the options are broken discharge valve plate, too little gas in the system, broken suction valve plate, blocked condenser. And the correct option for this question is blocked condenser. Our next question is, the oil film pressure produced by a rotating journal is, and the options are highest at the oil groove location, greater than the pressure in the lubricating system, the same as the pressure in the lubricating system, less than the pressure in the lubricating system. And the correct option for this question is greater than the pressure in the lubricating system. Our next question is, a centrifugal filter relies on the centrifugal force and can therefore remove, and the options are fuel oil from the lubricating oil, high density submicron particles, low density submicron particles, water. And the correct option for this question is high density submicron particles. Our next question is, in a pressure type lubrication system, the lube oil service pump normally takes suction from the pump tank and discharge directly to the, and the options are main thrust bearing, lube oil header, lube oil cooler, gravity feed tank. And the correct option for this question is lube oil cooler. Now let's summarize what we have studied in this video. What symptom would you think shows the freon filter dryer has become blocked? A large temperature drop across the dryer. You have checked the oil viscosity in an auxiliary engine with the viscosity test kit. The result shows that the viscosity is low. What will you do? Clean the system and change the oil. After starting a freon compressor, How long should you wait before opening the oil separator return valve? After the separator cell has warmed up. Before entering the purifier, the lubricating oil is heated in order to lower the viscosity and improve purification. A lubricating oil having a high viscosity index number is most effectively used over a wide range of temperature variations. A clogged or dirty lube oil filter can be detected by the pressure drop across the filter. What do you think would be the most likely cause of high discharge pressure from a freon compressor, blocked condenser? The oil film pressure produced by a rotating journal is greater than the pressure in the lubricating system. A centrifugal filter relies on the centrifugal force and can therefore remove high density submicron particles. In a pressure type lubrication system, the lube oil service pump normally takes suction from the sump tank and discharge directly to the lube oil cooler. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe for more such videos.